In part 2 of this fall season DIY decoration series, we'll take a look at how to make another style of rustic pumpkins. The pumpkins from this 2-part series make great gifts, decorations around the home, or items to sell for low cost using leftover materials or cheap wood from big box stores. I'll also leave a link in the description for the video showing how to make other Halloween decorations like the ghost you see. But if you're ready to learn how to make this rustic DIY pumpkin, let's get started. Alright, so in today's video we're going to take a look at how to make this style of pumpkin. We had a video previously about how to make this style of pumpkin right here. And so now as part 2 of this follow-on series, we're going to take a look at how to make this style as well. And so one thing I want to talk about is how we have different types of paint that we can use. So you'll see on this pumpkin, you'll see how we make this rustic look with the black base coat that gives that type of look. And then we've also got this style that has a natural base coat. It's still got the rustic look, but it's more of a light colored wood showing through with the sanding. And so what I'm going to say is, in this video we don't have any step-by-step narration how we're doing everything. It's almost more of an ASMR video. But if you would like to have a step-by-step narration of the video, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that as well. But I hope you guys get a lot of value from this video, and let's get started with how to make these pumpkins.